The paper airplane that came back based on Jeremiah 29:12, then you will call on me and come and pray to me, and I will listen to you. The story-a-thon loved paper airplanes. He would spend hours folding them just right, making sure the wings were even and the tips were sharp. But no matter how far he threw them, they always disappeared into the wind, never to be seen again. One afternoon, feeling lonely, Ethan took a blank piece of paper and wrote, "I wish I had a friend." He folded it into a paper airplane, kissed it for good luck, and sent it soaring into the sky. It spun, dipped, and vanished beyond the trees. Ethan sighed. I guess it's gone forever. But the next morning, as he stepped outside, something fluttered at his feet. A paper airplane. His eyes widened. It looked just like the one he had sent to Lee now. There were words written on it. With shaky hands, he unfolded the paper and read, "I am always with you. You are never alone." Ethan's heart raced. Who sent this? He ran to the edge of the hill where he had thrown the airplane. The wind whistled, but there was no one there. That evening, he wrote again, "Who are you?" He folded the paper carefully, took a deep breath, and launched it into the wind. The next morning, another airplane was waiting. This time it said, "I am your friend. Talk to me any time." Day after day, Ethan kept sending airplanes. Some days, he wrote about school. Other times, he shared his worries and fears. And every morning, the airplane came back with words that made his heart feel light. One day, after a hard week, he wrote, "Are you really there? Do you really care?" The next morning, the airplane returned with a verse written on it. "Then you will call on me and come and pray to me, and I will listen to you." Jeremiah 29:12, Ethan gasped. He had heard that verse in Sunday school before. Then it hit him. The messages weren't from a person. They were from God. A tear rolled down Ethan's cheek, but this time, it wasn't because he was sad. He smiled, looking up at the sky. "Thank you for always listening, God." From that day on, Ethan still sent his paper airplanes. But now, he didn't wait for one to return because he knew his prayers were always heard. Lessons for kids. God always listens when we talk to him. We are never truly alone. God is always with us. Prayer is like sending messages to God, and he always answers in his own way.